How you doing? A little bit of a different video today. It's not a vape review, but the people at Heaven's Gifts asked me to mention this, and I've been fooling around with this for probably about a month now. This app that they back or they're an investor in, and so I've been playing around with it, see how I liked it first before I would bother, to talk about it. I wanted have some education with it and not just say, hey, check this thing out because somebody I deal with in the vaping world said to. I really wanted to use it, and it's surprisingly nice. Basically, it's Instagram for vapers. We're going to dive down. I'll show it to you on my phone up close. But what it is Instagram with, you can post pictures, videos, you can chat with people, you can follow people, you can do everything like you can do at Instagram, but it's geared just towards vapers. It's actually called Vaffle, V-A-F-F-L-E. Yeah, L-E, not E-L, L-E. I'm going to put links in the description to finding the app on iOS and on Android, but if you just search for Vaffle, I'm sure it'll come right up. And it's a pretty good app. A lot of reviewers are on there already. I'm on there. I'm going to start posting more and more to it. Go ahead and follow me on there, and it's just a really nice app, and I think it's something, while Instagram, is the big worldwide one, I think this is something that the vape community can get behind, and it's a nice place that you go there, and that's all you're going to see is vape-related stuff, and it's pretty good, so check it out. Alright, so there you go. That is Vaffle. It is, I just put some posts on here myself recently. What I really liked about this right off is it's very stable. It's Instagram for vapers. Just vaping, vape community, everything you could want in here. And so far I've been very happy with it. Like I said, I've been playing around with it quite a bit for the last few weeks. I didn't want to do this video until I felt that, alright, this is a stable app, it's working well, it's popular, people are using it. There's indoor smokers, vaping bogan, there's vapor trails, there's Jay Hayes, you got a lot of people posting on here, a lot of stuff going up. And that's me. Then you have posts up here where you can see other posts from other people, start finding people, making friends on there, stuff like that. Quite a bit on here. You can see recommendations for friends, just like you might see in other social apps. Review. I guess these are mainly review videos for items. You can go into this feature, which is pretty cool, which is you can put in your vape gear. I haven't put anything in there yet because that would take a while, but you put in devices that you have, and it'll connect you with people using similar devices, which is pretty interesting. You can go over here to your library to add something, pictures that you have in your phone or videos, up to the app. You can go in here into the notifications and chat where you can participate. You can see followers. I haven't connected with a lot of people on here yet, but you got your account, collections, likes, dislikes, posts. I've done 32 posts, I have 92 followers, and like I said, I've just really started with it, but I really just wanted to play around with it and make sure that things were good in the last couple of weeks. I'm following 8 people. I got to add some more people in there, but it's really cool. So far, it's stable, it works well. There you go, that's back to your devices. I'm still memorizing. You got vape tools in here, look at that. So let's see, you got coil calculator. Pull that up. Alright, so you got a whole coil calculator in there. You have e-liquid DIY information, which is interesting. Battery life indicator, I'm not sure what that'll do. But you got battery, more like a battery meter, mod direction. So I guess, just really nice. You can go from very basic to very technical stuff. You got Ohm's Law in here is wonderful. You can do some calculations there. And you got a vape diary where you can keep track of how long since you quit smoking and stuff like that, and how much money you saved if you're interested. It's got a lot of nice little fun tools in there. But for me, I think the main part is the vape community here, being able to talk and chat with people and do all of that. So there you go. Check it out. Vaffle is the app. I'll put links below to it on the Android store and on iOS, or just search for VAFFLE, and I'm sure it will come right up. And I hope to see you on there. Friend me on there, the Vaping Computer Guy, and let's talk. Take it easy. Thanks for watching.